today I'm going to teach you class 3 of Soli Rhythm, a Dundun part, which is Kinkini. The first beat is open, 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 like this. Now let's play it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Now let's play it 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's move to Agogo Bell part. The first beat for Agogo Bell is kicking, 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 kicking. Now let's try it on a bell together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's combine Agogo Bell and Kinkini, playing it 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the pace to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine Kinkini with Djembe. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our lessons. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.